Hello students, I'm Dr. Divyashree, Assistant Professor, Department of Professional Management Studies, Krista Jayanti College. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about the different types of logistics. Before we get into the types of logistics, first let us try to understand what is logistics. Logistics is a part of the broader umbrella of supply chain management. So logistics takes care of the effective and the efficient flow of goods and services and also information from the point of origin to the point of consumption. What is point of origin and what is point of consumption? Now there are mobile manufacturers. So the point of origin is where the mobile is being manufactured. Maybe from Samsung or maybe from OnePlus or maybe from Apple. The manufacturing plant where the product is manufactured, that is point of origin, to the point of consumption. Point of consumption is where the customers use the product. So logistics takes care of effectively transporting the goods from the manufacturing plant to the customers. That is the concept of logistics on a very basic term. Now, let's get into the types of logistics. So, logistics can be broadly classified into 7 types. Let's see one by one. Inbound logistics is the first type. What is inbound logistics? Now, we'll go with the same example of the mobile phone. So, the mobile phone needs to be manufactured at a factory in, say, New Delhi. So, you need raw materials to manufacture the mobile phone, and you're going to source materials from various suppliers. So the logistics which takes care of the transport of raw materials from the suppliers end to the manufacturer is called the inbound logistics. So inbound logistics takes care of procurement of raw material and the delivery of the raw material to the manufacturing plant. That is inbound logistics. And moving on to the second type of logistics is outbound logistics. After the product is being manufactured, the outbound logistics takes care of taking the product from the manufacturer to the distributor, the wholesaler, retailer, or directly to the hands of the customers. That is the second type, which is called the outbound logistics. Moving on to the third logistics, which is called reverse logistics. Now you buy something from Amazon and Flipkart and you're not happy with the product. You're going to send the product back to Amazon or Flipkart. So the logistics which takes care of taking the product from the customer back to the company is called reverse logistics. Or else Apple also has a wonderful way of implementing reverse logistics where you can give away Apple phone after using it and they will recycle the products and use it. A part of rare metals which are used in the phones are recycled and used again for the purpose of manufacturing. That is the concept of reverse logistics. Moving on to the next logistics, internal logistics. Now, there is a car manufacturers and you have so many components to be fit in order to create a car. And all the components cannot be sourced from a warehouse which is like 200 kilometers. So you are going to have all the components within your manufacturing facility. So from that warehouse inside the manufacturing facility, the components are going to be delivered to the place where the product is being manufactured. So that is the fourth concept, which is called the internal logistic, that is within the company or within the manufacturing plant. The next one is internal logistics. As the name itself indicates, this logistics includes the transportation of products across the borders. Maybe from India, the product is being delivered to multiple other countries like Canada, Australia, US, UK. It can be any country. That is international logistics. The next one is humanitarian logistic, a very important logistic that is very active during the time of crisis like earthquake, tsunami, or even during the time of COVID. We had this humanitarian logistics acting very fast and quick, reacting to the situation. And the last logistics is e-commerce logistics. which involves delivering the goods from the manufacturer or the distributor to the customer. If I'll have to name two logistics which are leading in e-commerce logistics, one is delivery and the second one is Ecom Express. And recently there has been a big consolidation, maybe a landmark consolidation that has happened, where delivery company has acquired Ecom Express. That is one of the biggest consolidation that has happened in the logistics industry. Hope you all understood the different types of logistics. Thank you all for listening patiently. Thank you.